Did you know the deepest part of the ocean makes a sound no one can explain? Instruments in the Mariana Trench recorded a strange metallic echo, like a bell being struck underwater. No submarines, no machines, no human activity. Just a clean, resonating gong sound coming from almost 11 kilometers below the surface. Some scientists think it's a rare seismic vibration. Others think it's pressure shifting in the rocks, but no one can replicate it, and no one can fully explain it. The deepest place on Earth is still talking. We just don't understand what it's saying.